So I've been a genuine fan of skin nutrients for quite a while now. One of my favourite products of theirs is the skin masks. As you can see, I've got the whole box. I've got all of them. I find that depending on what my skin is doing as to what I'm using at that point. So today I'm going to use the Repairing and Revitalizing Mask. It restores dull and tired looking skin, improves the skin's ideal oil and water balance, improves uneven skin texture and reduces imperfections, and reinforces the skin's natural barrier function. So all the things that I need for today. Now I squeeze the mask as I kind of pull it out a little bit because it has so much serum. No other face mask that I've ever tried ever has had this much. Like, it's insane. So it's been 20 minutes. Got that fresh feeling as soon as I take it off. It's like magic just seeing how it like smooths skin out. Still got these little blemishes, but give it a day or so and they will also clear up. And there is my routine.